Hey there, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you all. We're diving into the world of diagnostics and maintenance with the MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 scanner. If you're passionate about keeping your car in top-notch condition, this tool might just become your new best friend. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest automotive content. Quick and easy diagnostics. The MOTOPOWER MP69033 is designed to make diagnostics a breeze, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just someone who wants to understand what's going on under the hood. This scanner has got you covered. One of the best features of this scanner is its wide compatibility. It works with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, which includes cars, trucks, SUVs, and even hybrids, manufactured from 1996 onwards. Reads and clears codes. Ever had that pesky check engine light pop up on your dashboard? Well, with the MP69033, you can quickly read the trouble codes causing the issue. And the best part, it also allows you to clear those codes once you've fixed the problem. Live data streaming. For the tech-savvy drivers out there, this scanner can stream real-time data from your vehicle's sensors. From engine RPM to coolant temperature, you'll have access to valuable information that can help you diagnose issues in real time. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive menu make navigation a piece of cake. Just plug it into your OBD2 port, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. Compact and portable. The MP69033 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Whether you're taking it to the garage or using it on a road trip, this scanner won't be a burden. Built to last, MOTOPOWER is known for its durable automotive tools, and the MP69033 is no exception. Its rugged design ensures it can handle the demands of your garage or toolbox. Now, let's walk through how to use the MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 scanner. Locate the OBD2 port. The first step is finding your vehicle's OBD2 port. It's usually located underneath the dashboard, near the steering wheel. Once you've found it, just plug in the scanner. Turn on the ignition. With the scanner plugged in, turn on your vehicle's ignition. You'll see the scanner's display light up. Navigate the menu. Use the intuitive menu on the scanner to navigate through different options. You can read trouble codes, view live data, and more. Interpret the data. Once you've pulled up the data, take a moment to interpret it. If you're not sure about a code or a reading, the scanner usually provides a brief description to help you understand what's going on. Clearing codes. If you've fixed the issue causing the trouble codes, you can use the scanner to clear them. This will turn off the check engine light and give you peace of mind. Here are the pros and cons of the MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, fast and reliable, reads all OBD2 codes, includes a built-in DTC lookup library, small and portable, backed by a 1-year warranty. Cons: cannot clear codes, does not have live data or graphing capabilities. The screen is small and can be difficult to read. Not compatible with all vehicles. Overall, the MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 scanner is a must-have tool for any car enthusiast or DIY mechanic. Its ease of use, wide compatibility, and powerful features make it an invaluable addition to your toolbox. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, we've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and as always, drive safe and stay curious.